You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with the order of operations. The final result is 62. Let's solve it step by step. We begin by calculating the expression inside the parentheses. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 6 plus 3 equals 9. Simplify exponents and square roots. 5 to the power of 2 equals 25. Perform any multiplication or division, from left to right. 7 times -4 equals -28. Calculate any addition or subtraction, from left to right. 25 plus 9 equals 34. Minus and minus make a plus. 34 plus 28 equals 62. And so the final result is 62.